How do you include employees in knowledge management? Knowledge is one of the most valuable assets of any organization. However, it turns out that even giant corporations don't have knowledge management in check and lose billions a year by failing to share information. Knowledge management is the process of acquiring, organizing, and sharing information throughout an organization. With the right information flow, employees are allowed to become more engaged in their workplace. A day in the life type of video that presents employees' typical daily tasks is a good way to include them in guide creation. Guides or instructions in digital form can be used for detailed information. Workers would write each step into an app and attach media files such as videos or images describing the entire process. Those can be later used as a base for manuals, further edited by a dedicated knowledge manager. Such a tactic produces an easily understandable and realistic reflection of actual tasks that is easy to replicate. Another compelling way of including employees in knowledge management is empowering collaboration when solving issues. A collaborative platform where workers interact with their peers, experts, and management will easily do the job. Being a part of a community can make workers more connected to their role and engaged within the organization. After all, the goal is not to force workers to create guides on top of their daily tasks. It should work in a way that enhances their workflow and performance and, in the end, makes their work life easier.